Welcome to our lithium battery pack factory. Chalong is a professional factory specializing in the research, development, design, and production of customized lithium batteries. We are committed to providing customers with high-quality and reliable customized lithium battery solutions. Our production lines use advanced automation, equipment, and precision process to ensure that every link can achieve high standards of production efficiency and quality control. In the quality control and inspection process, we use advanced testing equipment and a rigorous process to ensure that each lithium battery pack is rigorously tested to ensure its performance and reliability. We have a passionate and creative R&D team that constantly pursues technological innovation and breakthroughs to provide customized lithium battery pack solutions. Over the years, Chalong has supplied all kinds of lithium batteries for electric bike, electric motorcycle, electric scooter, marine, golf carts, forklifts, AGVs, and all kinds of energy storage batteries. As a trusted partner, we focus on providing our customers with high-quality, reliable, customized lithium battery pack solutions to help them succeed in every field. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you to jointly create a brilliant field of lithium battery pack. Contact us, let us realize the future of energy together.